Hey, this is Hillbilly Bob. We're going to steam some shrimp in the Ninja Foodie. Can't wait to eat it. I love steamed shrimp. Don't you? Let's check it out and see how we do it. All right, we're going to start. First of all, I've got 2 pounds of shrimp in here, and it's been soaking in lemon juice for an hour. I like it that way. What I'm going to do now is I'm going to get me a tablespoon, sprinkle in there, and I'm going to stir it up. Boy, that's good. These are Argentina red shrimp. I love those. I love tiger shrimp and Argentina red. All right, I'm going to turn my Ninja Foodie on. There we go. I'm going to set it on steam. All right, I have purchased a can of Michelob Ultra for this video. I'm going to pour that in here. All right, I'm going to put my shrimp in. Look at that. Don't that look good? Don't that look good? All right. Now I'm going to add me 2 tablespoons of Old Bay seasoning into my shrimp. In there. I'm going to stir it up good. I'm going to put my lid on. If you don't cook with a Ninja Foodie when you're camping, it's just pure silliness. You can fix anything. Steaks, pork chops, everything. All right, I'm going to turn this where it vents. I don't want it pressure cooked. This is a pressure cooker lid. We'll turn it to vent. I got it on steam. I'm going to set it for 8 minutes. Wasn't that easy? Look there, I didn't get my hands dirty. We're going to eat good tonight. Mama is going to make some taters in the microwave. And of course, we have a lot of butter. All right, the Ninja Foodie will be building up steam. And when the steam gets built up, the right pressure, it'll start counting down to 8 minutes. All right, it's counted down. It's time to open it up and see what we got. Ooh, look at that. Don't that look good? Look at that. Let's see here. Man, those are going to be delicious. We're going to be eating good in our neighborhood today. Hey, big shout out my big buddy Rob. He works on a lobster boat about a mile up the road. Great guy. It's you, Rob. It's you. Look here. Mama's already made me a plate of taters to eat with this. I'm gonna dip me some of that. Get my plate. Put me a little sauce on here. Man, look at that. Look at that. Let's try these things out. Yeah. Oh my goodness. Keep it going. They're right there. They'll make cornbread's teeth rattle. Right, cornbread? All right. That sure was some good eating. I wish y'all was here with us. Today we're in Annapolis Royal, Nova Scotia. I wish you was here. See you later.